I'm just using this Postal wrapping paper. This is from Dollar Tree. And I already have this part up on my wall. And it's gonna take me about 2 more of these to get them up. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that. So for the boxes, these are just empty boxes that I already had, and the only thing I did was wrap cello wrap around this box and this one, and then I took some garland from Dollar Tree and I just wrapped it around this box.